So before I get started, let me just show you guys what I have been, I know it's a little dark. It's a little dark. It's gloomy and not much lighting. But what I have been loving lately on YouTube, and there are these scenes, these fall scenes, because you know, I'm all about fall. And this is just one of them. So I'm going to put this on and then I'm going to start cleaning. Some of them have music and some of them don't, but I like all of them. They have rain, crackling fire. I am obsessed with those. All right, so I'm going to try to vacuum a futon now that's in the office. I'm going to try to bring it upstairs to my new beauty room, whatever, she room, she shed, she room, my new room. I'm just sharing a very small part of it with Hubs because he has something in there. But other than that, I'm trying to prep for that room. So there's a futon here. So for those of you who have pets, let me just show you something. I have a futon here, and you know, I have 2 cats, and they usually like sitting on the corner of it. So what I usually just do is just keep like a blanket on the corner, and then they'll sit on the blanket, and I can just easily, you know, just toss it or, you know, whatever. I don't even like washing it, but it's just, you know, whatever blanket. So I'll just usually just rotate them and toss them. But this is going upstairs now, so what I usually do is for things like this, materials that you know tend to have, you know, collect hair, I do vacuum it with a brush, but I also like using, you put plastic gloves on and you wipe the hair. Let me tell you, this is everything for that. It will take all of the hair off. I'm not even lying. Try it. It works. All right, so let me get into, and look, here's one of the cats now. So this is all I need to do. It's just this. And then, of course, you'll vacuum or you'll sweep your floor after that. But I'm looking crazy because I'm cleaning house today, so don't judge me. But this is it. You know, and then after I give it a good wipe with the gloves, I'll just vacuum it. And it's good to go. I'm going to purchase a cover for this futon anyway, because this is... I don't want this to be primary seating in the new room. I just want this to, you can actually, this folds back and this, you can turn this into a bed. And people have slept on this in the past, but I just want to get a cover and then just make it look like maybe a day bed or something like that. Prop it up with pillows and blankies and all that good stuff. So the challenging part is getting this up the stairs. The same stairs that I fell down once. So let us pray. Okay, so I'm back. That was a lot of work. It really was. So I managed to do it. I did it. I did it. So I carried the futon up the stairs, and it's all nice and clean, and it's where I want it to be for now. And so now I have to move this bookshelf upstairs. Let me show you the bookshelf really quickly. I'm going to give it a good clean and then I'm going to take it upstairs. So this is just one of these IKEA shelves with the 2, 4, 6, 8 cubes. I'm going to bring that. I'm going to take that upstairs because that is going to be my TV stand. Sweating profusely. So it's going to be my new TV stand, but I'm going to flip it. So I've done that before in another room when we first moved here. This has been moved like a million times, but it's never been taken upstairs. So it's going to be a challenge. So I'm going to try to drag this up the stairs because I want to have a television and a decent sized television in that room. That is my goal. All right, let's try to do this. Don't worry, this is clean. And it's freezing. It's not freezing. It's cold outside. All right, let's get on with this. I did it. Did that too. So there is the futon there's a bookshelf, and I'm just organizing this room. The TV stand is here in front of me. I look crazy as heck, but you know what? After I'm done with this, I'm taking apart a bed right now. After I am done with this, I'm going to take a shower and I'm going to eat because I am famished. Now, the next step is going to be painting this room. So, you know, I can't stand this oak. So, got to get that done. I have to paint it just like all the other trimming in the house. So, all right, let me finish with this bed and I'll be back. So, this is the bed that my daughter was sleeping on when she was here. But there is no need for it anymore, and it really isn't in the best condition, so it's going in the garbage. I mean, you know, this is the headboard. It's still intact, but I'm not going to give it away, and I'm not going to try to sell it either because I wouldn't get half of what I paid for this bed. Not half. So, in the garbage it goes. All right, I'll be back.